All right, today we're going to review a 1959 Porsche Convertible D. They only made 1,331 Porsche Convertible Ds. Besides Carrera cars, they're probably the rarest of the 356s. They built the cars between September and December 1958, and then into 59. This is a 1958 production car. Very nice runner driver, older restoration. Body gaps are pretty good, panel gaps are pretty good. I'll give you a closer look here in a minute. This car is a 1600 Super, however, the engine number lines up with a 59 1600. Motor's in real good condition, starts easily, runs well, it's dry, doesn't smoke, strong. Original color on this car was 5703, which would have been Meissen blue. Of course, you don't see it anywhere except for the color tag in the door. Older restoration, and it's certainly showing the patina of an older restoration. As I mentioned, gaps are good. Look at that door gap, it's nice. Come to the front, good. Nice interior, nice dash. Good hood gap. The hinges have not been kinked, they're straight. Very cute little driver. Good body lines here, or body gaps. Chrome is good on the wheels. Mentioned the gauges are good. Car starts easily. No smoke. This is a full cloth tonneau. We have cut pictures of it in the picture presentation. The soft top's in nice shape. It's cloth. It's in good condition. Also pictures on the pictures of the soft top in the presentation. Battery box is good. We'll put this car up in the air. Floor pans have been replaced. Bottoms of the doors are okay. There's no big rust holes, but they're certainly not factory perfect. You see the stance is a little low and aggressive. The car really drives well. Bushings in the shifting's a little loose, but all the gears work well, synchronizers work well, clutch works well, and as I mentioned, motor runs well. All right, we'll put this car up on the lift and show you the underside and as well as eye level shots. All right, here we are at eye level on the 356 Convertible D. This way, at this level, we can see all the imperfections on the body, and I can point them out to you. The body's pretty straight. There's some indication of previous work, and I'll point those out. Hood gaps are pretty good. The nose is clean. I do not have the overriders front or rear. Chrome is good on the wheels. The rolled sheet metal here is clean, and it's rolled. Pretty clean. Gaps again are good. It's a little high here. See the doors straight. Good gap again. Straight door. Good trim. Good chrome again. Solid here on the jack or the suspension points. This door is out a touch. See a little movement. The worst part of the car is, I will show you, they had cut the quarters, and when we put it up in the air you can actually see where, and there is a line from here across here. That's where it stops, where they had cut sheet metal before. Chrome good, trim's good, door fit good. I will put the car up and we will look underneath. All right, here we are up underneath. The case is clean, not wet. It does have some oil leaks. Here's a drop here. Pretty clean though. I mentioned on the outer body there's you can see a cut. There it is right there. And they did both sides. This one has it too. Good tires. The longitudinals are in good condition. Rocker paddles are in good condition. No jack points. See, the longitudinals are good. That's probably why the body gaps are still good. Little weld here at one point. Suspension work has been done here recently. Battery box is solid. Not very pretty, but it's solid. And then here's the kicker, the replaced floor pan. Just one big piece. You can see the footprint of the old panel here. So they replaced the panel but didn't do it with correct material. All right, we'll take a drive in it and you can see the car runs and drives.